Night screams aloud, no answers come. Rain pounds the roof like a war drum. Her voice a ghost, her touch a flame. Gone so far, but still her name. I can't see through the storm, but I see her in the dawn. Eyes in the rain, they look back at me through the faces of the children, her legacy. Eyes in the rain, calling me to be something stronger, something free. Cold bed shadows stretched too wide, her side empty, my soul untied. The walls echo what I won't say. Every breath pulls her further away, but her eyes shine through the dark. A candle, a burning spark. Eyes in the rain, they look back at me through the faces of the children, her legacy. Eyes in the rain, calling me to be something stronger, something free. Ooh, yeah.